Sandra. I just wanted to show you what's under the bobbin case. Okay, of course the feed dogs, you know, go there. They're attached to the feed bar there with one screw. And then the positioning bracket with the latch pulled over. Then you can take the bobbin case out. It has a little groove there, and it has this little opening here. The little groove fits on the edge of the oscillating hook, and then this little extension on the bracket goes inside that little opening. Okay, now remember that pin, okay, that you were talking about the other day? That is a hinge stud that goes straight down. It goes straight down into that little hole right there, and that's all it does. It just sits there and keeps it in place. Okay, and then now this is the oscillating hook, and it does get tightened down, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like empty. Okay, so that's it. That's the feed bar where the feed dogs get attached, and that's all it's in there. There's nothing else in there, you know, that could get a hold to that bobbin. So you have the oscillating hook that fits in this little hole right there, and then the positioning bracket with a little hinge going down in this little hole right there. And just let it slip in there. There. And then pull the latch over a little bit so you can have room to put, see, there's not a whole lot of room there, so if there's anything like lint or thread down in there, it might be blocking a little bit of room. So you have to put this little groove on the edge of that oscillating hook, and then make sure the tip of the bracket is underneath that opening right there. And if we're lucky, there we go, it slips right in. And then of course your bobbin gets attached right there. And that's all there is to it. So I hope that helps. Bye.